the equipment that is required and calibrated for their product to be able to apply. Now tell us about these 3 different guns you got.
So we sell a do-it-yourself kit with 3 levels of guns, okay? So your basic gun kit is going to come with this 1.5 quart cup. It's going to give you the ability to spray product directly from the nozzle. It's adjustable. It's going to come with these 2 extension tubes, which will allow you to get up into tight corners. The next gun up is going to be ProTech, which is going to come with now a 45-degree wand. Then we move up to the Lemmer. This is the high-end gun. This is light, 45-degree wand, again, filter, hand grip, and it's going to give you another little neat attachment. This little 45 will go in, let's say, the drain hole, the door. We actually have the largest selection of rust-proofing equipment in the country.
This is exactly what it's going to take to make sure that you guys apply the oil properly so you can get a good coating and you get longevity out of it.